Retailing today is no longer store-centric. Customers are hyper-connected and hyper-informed in the store and online. Retailers compete for customers' attention and business on all channels. Because of increased competition for customers, retailers shift to a customer-centric approach. Executing on all channels seamlessly requires accurate retail planning. This planning process is complex and tedious for retailers. Some of the most common problems are incorrect return, incorrect net sales, and incorrect stock levels. QuickBorn's recommended solution is Oracle Retail's Merchandise Financial Planning Cloud solution with cross-channel fulfillment and returns. Seamless customer experience across all channels has the benefits of order anywhere, fulfill anywhere, and return anywhere capability. Key benefits are single screen to define all cross-channel parameters, all KPIs are automatically calculated, and planners can work collaboratively and yet separately if they wish. Planning returns. Oracle MFPCS provides a single-screen returns maintenance setup where planners can define all KPIs related to cross-channel returns and fulfillment. All KPIs in this screen are defined at a product and total channel level. Cross-channel returns is divided into Buy Online, Return to Store, and Buy Online, Return Online. By default, Buy Online, Return Online value is set to 100%. For brick-and-mortar channel, the returns and net return values are the same, and net sales is calculated as total sales minus net returns. Similarly for direct channel, the returns and net return values are the same, and net sales is calculated as total sales minus net returns. Planner defines Buy Online, Return to Store as 70%. The system calculates Buy Online, Return Online as 30%. The return back to online percentage is defined as 40%. Let us figure the impact of these changes. For brick and mortar, the return back to online is negative. This is because a portion of the store returns now will be sent back to warehouse, that is 40%. This will result in the net returns decreasing with respect to the total returns. Also, the net sales value will increase for brick and mortar. For direct channel, the return back to online is positive. This is because a portion of the store returns now will be sent back to warehouse, that is 40%. This will result in the net returns increasing for direct channel and impacting the net sales to come down. Restocking impact. In the Returns Maintenance Setup screen, planners can define restocking cost associated with storing returns in stores, store to warehouse, and in warehouse. Restocking costs have a negative impact on the net gross margin. With default setting, the net gross margin value is 45.5% for brick and mortar and 41.6% for direct. In the Returns Maintenance Setup screen, store restocking cost is defined as $5 per unit. Similarly, the store-to-warehouse restocking cost and warehouse restocking cost are also defined. Under the Sales and Markdown screen, both for brick and mortar as well as for direct, the restocking cost gets populated. The net GM percentage reduces from 41.6% to 34.8% for direct channels. For brick and mortar, the net GM percentage reduces to 44.5% from 45.5%. Cross-channel fulfillment planning. Under the Returns Maintenance Setup, planners can also define cross-channel fulfillment parameters. These parameters are then used in computing KPIs under Inventory and Receipt screen. By default, the cross-channel fulfillment numbers are all set to 0, both for brick and mortar and direct channel. In this scenario, Planner defines Buy Online Pickup in Store percentage as 10%. This will have an impact on stock levels of both channels. For direct channel, the EOP values will increase, since a portion of the sales will be fulfilled via brick and mortar, hence the negative value for pickup in-store, R. For brick and mortar channel, the pickup in-store R is positive and will be deducted from the planned EOP value. In this scenario, Planner defines buy in-store ship-to-customer percentage as 10%. This will have an impact on stock levels of both channels. For brick and mortar channel, the EOP values will increase, since a portion of the sales will be fulfilled directly from warehouse, hence the negative value for ship-to-customer. For direct channel, the ship-to-customer value is positive, which will be deducted from the EOP value. Refresh fulfillment functionality. Consider a scenario where a planner is planning KPIs for direct channel. The planner goes to the returns maintenance screen, defines some parameters, and then commits the data. However, parameters are defined in returns maintenance screen at an all-channel level and will impact KPIs in brick and mortar channel as well. Consider a brick and mortar planner working on the same merchandise. The planner can simply use the refresh fulfillment functionality to update the changes made by the direct channel user. If you have any questions or need further information about this subject, please contact us at qbcs.com.